More in keep with the oak fairing doing next week. Then we leave it running for as long as we can and then turn it off.
Okay. Really nice for me to...
Did you hear the music last night?
I did.
It's good,
yeah.
wasn't it?
Ready for it to go to
Okay,
bed.
we've had enough.
Yeah, I was like, okay, and then it went. It was like, oh, perfect. That's good. Where are you heading back to?
Kent.
Right, put those bags.
Oh, hello. Here comes the flesh. And then the telly with
Guy is opening a shop in Gloucester.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
That's right.
What's the course?
So yeah, young lad that just came back. 1 minute, 12 seconds. No, she took it amazingly well.
So the only thing that isn't out properly is candles. We've got lots more to go out. I'm going to show you what one. Pretty much everything else is out. Lavender can cream isn't what I'm about to do.
So scared to go say hello. What, they don't talk to me? Go on, then, let's go.
They were friendly guys.
Hello. Hey,
Thank you.
Oh, nice. Get without the feet. When you put it on end, it doesn't taste the smother. When you put them out, so you don't burn the bread script. It's need doing on both sides.
I understand that.
Yeah. More bread being made.
Yes, fresh.
How you doing? Fraser Christian here, Wilderness Gathering 2021 with Coastal Survival and my team behind us. Beautiful day, sunshine. It's been amazing to get out and see all the faces again. The main problem I suppose we've had with the lockdown, I hadn't seen my crew now for 2 years and it was really difficult at the bar last night remembering what the round was. But no, in all seriousness, it's been great to get back out. For those of you who haven't seen it this year, next year, it's really good to support this type of event. Most of us have just tried to come out of the blocks racing again. It's been difficult for a lot of people, but we're outside in the sunshine. Coincidentally, learning skills of how to cope when everyone else around you is falling apart. So stay tuned, keep following all the companies, all of the people who do the bushcraft, the survival, all the crafts. These are essential skills for the future. Peace and love. Trouble is Willow's seen better days now. It's been soaked a few times. So this is just the Willow fish trap. We can make it out of anything, haze or any sticks that we've got. And all we're doing is just weaving the rods in and out. It's nothing technical, it's really simple. All the stuff that we do on the courses comes from commercial fishing techniques, and I hope I don't offend any fishermen when I say this. We're all very, me included, we're all very simple people. We teach the easiest, most efficient way of doing stuff. And this is exactly what you'd make, and we don't make anything on the courses that we don't use, weather permitting. So it's a unique opportunity on the coast to be able to construct traps and nets and ways of catching food, and you will hopefully get a chance. And we've never had a course where we haven't caught fish, so you'll be eating the food that you've caught, which is empowering. It's the best thing, the best fish you're ever going to taste is the fish that you catch.
This wood is a little bit rotten, so I'm not getting the perfect cut off it.
But it's the turns and
yeah, but I don't have to put much power through this for it to work well.
I mean, you make tent pegs in about 15 seconds on these things.
Yes, I'd prefer a bigger one though to make tent pegs with.
Drink.
Plenty of zips. She's finding the right one. Spot on. Many thanks. Cheers. Cheers. Thank you.
Leave it like that with a bit.
If you are able to leave it, that would be really great, because I'm a bit overloaded with spoon courses at the moment.
And you'll do that, and that's all yours.
Yeah, thank you.
And that's it.
Have you enjoyed?
Yeah, really good.
Really good.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Well, thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.
And I hope you've enjoyed
really
it.
Nice. Yeah, really good. And just,
So it's just 3 hours, guys, and I hope you, do carry on.
Enjoy. Thank you.
in and out.
It comes later, it takes even longer to fix as well.
Yeah, that does.
I think the videos have stopped.
So everything's carved entirely with just the one knife, which is the Morrow 120, except for the bowls, which he uses the hook knife for, and everything is entirely one piece. He's just taught himself to hold the knife in different ways in order.
So the tool belt I'm using is more of like a woodworking tool belt. That's what Emily's talking about. It's got like big pockets for like.
I've got a kind of gardening one.
Yeah. Okay.
It's starting to fall apart.
So my friend Paul makes a leather belt, but it all comes off and on. So you'd have like a saw sheath, a knife sheath. It's just totally up to you what you want.
Sort of how much would you charge for that?
To be honest with you, I really don't know. I've never done it before. Yeah, and it's new as well. So there's a lot of design time where I need to figure it all out.
Yeah, good.
Beautiful, but I need like a reason to spend too much money this weekend. You don't think the dog's happy? That sounds a good enough reason.
Some people just frame them.
We can just sort of make it.
Have to use the whole length. No, thank you. Makeup's off. But yeah, so living the dream. In torn clothes.
This is just to share you on the internet.
Yes, next. So baby, where?
I've kind of made my peace with that, but I know I want a decent lunch. I don't have, you know,